ladies and gentlemen, got a new merch right here. Got the sunglasses going, yes sir. We got the Baba Huddle happening today. Yeah, to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear angel. Happy birthday to you. So this was my yesterday on the 23rd. Good. Got all these good photos and all these compliments. Yes, sir. What's up, people? So today we stayed at IAL. We're back in IAL. I'm having a piece of cookie. Thank you, Kiara. Chocolate chip cookie from Starbucks. Ooh, they've been bomb. Starbucks and Subway are good. Oh yeah. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the golf course over here in IAL. It is beautiful. Can't get enough of it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back in IAL. For the past few days, I've been at Mililani, and it's been good. Waipio, Waipahu. Yeah. But now we in IAL today. Oh yeah. Alrighty, done closing for the day. Shout out to Eminem for doing your thing, and big shout out to these mechanic guys who comes in every weekday or weeknights to repair some of these vans that we use every day. So shout out to you guys mechanics. Good job. Thank you guys. And yeah, heading home. Time for the day.